industry insights. Having a solid understanding of the modeling world is essential for your success. I'll share insider knowledge about navigating agency representation and casting processes, giving you a clearer picture of what to expect. Additionally, we'll discuss the latest trends shaping the industry, equipping you to stay ahead of the curve. Being informed and adaptable will serve you well as you develop your career. Navigating representation and the casting process can be a complex journey, but with the right insights, you'll approach it with confidence, okay? So here's an overview to help you understand what to expect. Number 1, understanding agency representation. Choosing the right agency, okay? Research potential agencies to find the one that aligns with your career goals and personal brand. Look for agencies that represents models in your niche and have a good reputation in the industry. I'll link some resources for you below. Number 2, submission process. Most agencies require a set of photos, including headshots and body shots. And with a resume or comp card, you need to ensure that your materials are professional and showcase your versatility. Number 3, your initial meetings. If an agency is interested, they may invite you for a meeting. Be prepared to discuss your experience, aspirations, and how you see yourself fitting into their roster. This is also your chance to gauge their professionalism and approach. Number 4, contractual obligations. If you sign with an agency, read the contract carefully. Understand the commission structure, exclusivity clauses, and the duration of the agreement. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek legal advice if needed. The first agency you partner with will be regarded as your mother agency, and all subsequent contracts you enter must be approved by them first to avoid any potential conflicts of interest, such as exclusive or non-exclusive agreements. The Faith Model Guide Professional Model ebook provides an explanation of the model's terminology. Additionally, there is a video available on the Faith Model Guide YouTube channel so that you can watch, which I'll link also. Moving on to the casting process. Types of castings can range from open calls to private auditions. Open calls are usually less formal and allow many models to be seen, while private auditions might be conducted for specific roles. Preparation. Always come prepared. Research the brand or project and be ready to showcase your range. Bring a portfolio and be dressed appropriately for the casting. Feedback and rejection. The casting world is competitive, right? And rejection is a part of the process. Learn to take feedback constructively. Sometimes it may not be about you. It could simply be that you don't fit the specific vision for that project. Follow up. After castings, it's acceptable to send a brief thank you email expressing your appreciation for the opportunity, but avoid being overly persistent, okay? Stay informed and adaptable with industry trends, right? Keep an eye on emerging trends in the modeling industry, such as beauty standards, diversity initiatives, and increasing the importance of social media presence. Adapt your portfolio and branding to align with these trends. Networking means building relationships in the industry, which is crucial. Attending events, workshops, and networking opportunities to connect with photographers, stylists, and other models. Continuous learning. Invest in workshops or classes to improve your skills, whether it's runway techniques, posing, or even acting. The more versatility you have, the more opportunities you'll receive, okay? And by understanding the aspects of agency representation and the casting process, you'll be better equipped to navigate your modeling career. Stay informed, adaptable, and proactive, and you'll increase your chances of success in this dynamic industry, all right? I'll give a few examples of what I mean by dressing appropriately for certain castings, right? You wouldn't dress the same for a Vivienne Westwood campaign as you would for Calvin Klein, right? It's two different worlds, right? So just take that as an example. I'll link below in this module, models.com, Neon Coat. Models.com is a great resource to research agencies. Neon Coat is an app for models to take advantage of free services that are happening in your area, specifically for models, because they want that social visibility. So your job is to go there, take pictures, whatever, be fabulous, post it on your Instagram so that they can, get eyes on their business. And here you'll meet a lot of different models. Caviar I mentioned before. And in the How to Become a Professional Model YouTube video that I posted on the Faith Model Guide YouTube channel, check that out because it has a lot more in-depth explanation of all of these factors, okay? Which I'll also link below, of course, for you. And it'll also be in the community. So let's move on to the next lesson.